What's up, guys? It's Caleb from Srkcycles.com, and you're looking at a 2007 Suzuki DR650 dual sport. Guys, this has the upgraded Safari fuel tank, which means it has a bigger fuel capacity. It's got the brackets for the bags, but it has no bags on it. Guys, it's a really nice bike. You guys know what these are used for, so things like this, like dings and scratches and stuff like that, it's pretty common with these bikes. The nice thing is oh, it does also have this guard here down around the bottom, the engine guard. One nice thing is a lot of these have the metal fuel tanks, and so with the plastic fuel tank you can kind of drop it and it's not a huge deal. With metal it gets all dented and gross. Bike's in good shape, man. It's got good tread on the tires. I mean, it's got obviously like little scuffs and stuff like that all over the fenders. It's just because you know what these bikes are used for. They're used for, you know, you riding around in the dirt, in the mud, on trails, on the street. It's a dual purpose bike. They're decently cheap to begin with, but there's no big tears in the seat. That's a pretty big common thing, is that there's big tears in the seat or dents in the tank. But he swapped the tank out, like I said. It's got 7,000 miles on it. It fires up right away. Oh no, it must be in a tusk. I don't use the tusk. That's great. It is carbureted, but guys, this bike runs awesome. Guys, like I said, 2005 Suzuki DR650. This bike's not going to last long. Actually, you might have to beat Harrison to it because he's like in love with these things. So, thanks a ton for watching, guys. Make sure to check out the test drive video on this bike, as well as check it out on the website, Bikes and Beards, and Srkcycles. Thanks a ton for watching, guys.